Welcome back, students. Lecture 2 in Introduction to Algebra. Let's look at the definition of equation. An equation is a mathematical statement that equates two algebraic expressions. For example, here is an algebraic expression x minus 4. We can equate this algebraic expression to a constant value to write an equation. For example, x minus 4 is equal to 5. Let's see another example. Here we have an algebraic expression 3x minus 5. We can equate this algebraic expression 3x minus 5 to a constant value 10. Here 3x minus 5 is equal to 10 is an equation. Similarly, y minus 6 is an algebraic expression and y minus 6 is equal to 0 is an equation. Now let's understand what is called a solution of an equation. A solution of an equation is a numerical value that satisfies the equation. Let's see an example here. Is 6 solution to the equation x plus 3 is equal to 9? Let's find out that. Substitute x is equal to 6 into this equation. Hence we get 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Let's simplify the expression on the left. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Here we have left hand side value which is equal to right hand side value. Therefore, 6 is a solution to the equation x plus 3 is equal to 9. Just so that we can clearly understand this concept, let's do another example. Is 4 solution to the equation x minus 8 is equal to 4. Let's substitute x is equal to 4 into this equation. Hence we have 4 minus 8 which is not equal to 4. 4 minus 8 is equal to negative 4 and negative 4 is not equal to 4. Here we have left hand side value which is not equal to the right hand side value. Therefore, 4 is not a solution to the equation x minus 8 is equal to 4.